Here is very interesting question, and this is sixth part of question 3 of exercise 5.3 of chapter 5. And in this question we are given the first term, and that is 2, and the common difference equals to 8, and the sum of first n term equals to 90, and we have to find out the value of n and the nth term. Then let us see how to solve this question. First we collect what is given to us. So A is 2 and the common difference D is 8, and sum of first n term equals to 90. And what we have to find? We have to find the value of n and nth term. So let us see how to solve this question. First we shall use the formula of sum, and that is Sn equals to n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 over into d. Now we shall put the value of Sn, a and d here in this formula. This means this is equals to 90, and here is n over 2, and we have to put the value of a, that is 2, and d is equals to 8. Now we shall multiply this 2 with 90 to get 180. Here is n multiplied by 2 into 2 means 4, and when we multiply this n minus 1 to 8 to get 8n minus 8. Now we shall solve the values in the bracket. This means this is equals to 8n minus 4, and here is n, here is 180. Now we shall multiply this n with this n, 8n minus 4 to get 8n square minus 4n, and here is 180. Now we get a quadratic equation, that is 8n is square minus 4n minus 180 equals to 0. And what we observe here? We observe that we can divide all the terms of this quadratic equation by 4 like this. And what we get? We get here 2n square, here minus n, here minus 45, and here 0. Now we shall factorize this quadratic equation by the method of factorizing middle term. And what we get? We get minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equals to 0, and here is 2n square. How we get this value? We have already told you in another video, so you are requested to learn this method in that video. Now we shall take common 2n from first two terms, and we remains here n minus 5, and here we take common 9 from last two terms, and we remains n minus 5 also. Now we take common n minus 5 from these two terms, n minus 5, and what we remains in this bracket, we remains 2n, and here we remains plus 9. Now we shall put these two brackets equals to 0 like this. N minus 5 equals to 0, or 2n plus 9 will be equals to 0. And what we get? We get n equals to 5, and here we get n equals to minus 9 over 2. But n cannot be negative. Therefore, n is not equals to minus 9 over 2. Therefore, the value of n is 5. Now we shall find out the nth term, and we shall use the general term. This means this is n equals to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. And what is the value of n? This is 5. And what is the value of a? That is 2. N is 5 and d is 8. And what we get? We get 2 plus 32, and this is equals to 34. Therefore, nth term is equals to 34. This is the solution of the question. Thank you.